I've had this to dig up, I think, or not, because I'm not dig them up. Potatoes, they're growing again. But as you can see, a lot of it was dried down and I've left it and then it's growing again. So I'm going to still dig them up. I've used these things to cover them because of the cat. Of course, you know, cat like to pull in soil, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dig them up. And I got my tomato plant here, so two of them are in up on this, but I'm gonna move these. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and just get the potatoes out. I hope I'll get a lot because, you know, otherwise I've wasted my time to make this big box of thing just to get nothing from. I was cleaning up today, guys. As you can see, a lot of, I did get a lot done, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can dig up this. See, potato right there, so ready. I'm gonna have to get something to use. I don't know how much muffin it is, so I'm gonna get my gloves on. I don't know, put my hand in the dirt already, but still. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and see what is in here. Oh, I left them too long. Look at that. There's holes in that one. Oh my god. Holes in that potato. That one's okay, but this one has got holes in there. I don't know what kind of insect would do that, but it's a big one. That. You know, if I want to come outside, come see if I can get potato then. And I didn't. Oh, that's a nice size. These are nice size ones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get something to put them in. I'll just put them on the ground for now. We're gonna get another bin bag and put them on, like a clean one. Oh, put them in here, Baba. This bag. Oh, William's helping me to get some potatoes out. Oh, potatoes. Are you gonna eat those? There's some other. Pick it up and find potatoes. Oh, look at that. There's a big one here. Oh, there.
I found the salt.
No, we didn't find it. It was there. Put it there. There's a big one here, William. Some more here. Look at that. That's a nice one there. Nice size potatoes. Oh, look at that, baby. Baby, baby.
Oh, good potato.
Don't drop them out. I'll put them. Be careful of the salt. I'll put it here and then I'll put it in the one they've not grown. one there.
Wait, can I use that? I need
Then I use what?
this to uncover the potatoes.
To uncover the potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Remember when you were little though? You saw me taking potatoes. You said, can I help? Well done. Let's see, what's this? There's another one. Big one.
This is like grow a garden. Where you gotta grow a garden and then you take your seeds, take your potato seeds and strawberry seeds out, strawberry and potatoes out, and then and then you like put them in the bag and then sell them.
Yeah.
That's what you do in grow a garden.
Yeah. This side now. Look what, look how down it then.
Giant potato.
Yeah, let's go. There's one there. Oh, look at this baby. Oh. This morning, lot of potatoes.
Look.
Oh gosh. Careful.
There's someone.
In there. Guys, as you can see, I did have another pair of hands helping me collect my potatoes, my youngest. So yeah, I think he enjoyed it. But anyways, guys, please continue watching. Hey, stop that dog. Get in. So guys, I have gotten good sized potatoes from my garden, from my little, yep, plant. I don't know what to call it. It's not a plant pot, but anyways, this is the biggest one that I've gotten. Look how big that is, and I'm so proud of me. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell our next friend, and guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.